So I'm going to start applying a foundation. I'm using the CoverGirl. I've had this for a while, so I really want to use it before it expires. And then I'm using the white paint from Maron. This is water based, and I'm applying it with the beauty blender or the blender, whatever, as well all over my face. And I'm just layering that up, make sure that it's still moist so it don't stick back into the blender. So I'm using this Glamise palette. This is an old Glamise palette, but I haven't used it in a while. Then I decided I'm gonna use it to shade in my brows on both. I have two. I have the warm and the cool one. So I'm just doing my eyebrows. I'm using the same color to also outline the shape of the moon around my face. I'm also using some of these colors to apply as eyeshadow. It works best wet. So I had already outlined with a white pencil where I wanted kind of like the shape to be, and then I just went over it with the wet brush. A lot of this is going to be shading. I also use this jumbo pencil. I forgot what the name is right now. If I'm not mistaken, it's Moonlight. And used it as a base for my eyes. And now I'm just shading around, bringing out the shades in the moon. A little bit of contouring with the dark blue. And I'm just smoking out my eyes a little bit. I use the same color kind of to like shade in. And I'm just looking at a reference picture of a drawing, you know, the half moon, half sun. With the same jumbo pencil, I put it in my waterline. Kind of want everything to match. So now I'm just creating little crates here and there. Doesn't have to be perfect because they never are. Again, looking at reference pictures. And remember, you guys, it's all about the detail. This was really easy to do. You just have to work at it. And I'm just using a little bit of highlight in a cool tone to kind of highlight my face and bring the makeup to life. So I first tried to apply the yellow with the 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 bigger blush brush, but I found it better that it worked best with the little one. I did not wet it. I just tapped that on. And now with the other color wheel, I'm just shading. And I also use the cooler tone to kind of highlight the moon. So I'm just creating some chunky cheeks. I mean, we're creating, I already have them, but accentuating and giving myself a little fiery smoky eye. So again with the highlight. And now I'm going back to give myself a little bit of details here and there. Little dots, random, just random. So I also decided to outline my eyes, and those I used this other eyeliner. It's actually a lip liner what I used. Added lashes and done. Well, this is it for the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.